time for stocking stuffer.
Okay.
I'm folding my furoshiki so that it's a little smaller and very narrow. And I'm going to fold it one more time. There are 3 small objects right here. And each is going into this pocket space right here. And it's going to be covered like this. And you need to space it because there'll be a knot right here in between. Bring this back like this and tie a little knot right here. Open this up so you can see the little pocket. Put it inside, cover it up. Right here, just like that. Bring 2 ends and make a little knot. Then you can also add a small ornament.